We are at the final ceremony for our event. We involved all the present people you see. Me, I'm Carlo Ottaviani. There is Oslem, there is Merv, and there is Bashar, and Merv twice, sorry. Because we have changed the name, and they are from riders.ai. And we are here together, we Officine Robotiche and Riders, just to present this wonderful opportunity that we had to be present in Maker Faire Rome 2021 edition. By the moment that is in a virtual edition, we are present in the best way to present what we can do with virtual, what riders can do with virtual, to be perfect. We have 3 types of competition, and 2 of them, it's for mainly dedicated for programmers, someone who has experience with Python or even C++, and you can act as a ride driver of a line follower robot, a virtual robot. Then there is another competition for who doesn't want to be involved in programming, but you need only a keyboard. And then you can drive a virtual drone in the arena. This, what we let you show in a few minutes, and Bashar will let you explain better surely than me in what we have. Tell me, Bashar, when you are ready, I'll leave you the floor. And in the meantime, I keep on talking, and or otherwise I can let just
yes.
Bashar, if you like, I can share the screen and you can just...
Yes, Merve, if you can share now the screen and share some info, statistic about the competition, that will be very helpful.
Okay, so Carlo just already mentioned about the competitions. Probably you all know about Riders. Since 3 days we are hosting this competitions Carlo just mentioned. So welcome to our award ceremony. So to the ones who are not familiar with this video.
Are you interested in joining the world of drones
can you hear
and robots?
The voice?
Yes.
Competing with hundreds of participants. Free to join for anyone over 14 years old. Be a part of one of the largest maker fairs in the world. If you are not an expert programmer, you can control the drone via your keyboard, or you can show off your coding skills by joining an advanced line follower competition. 3 races, 2 exciting types of competitions, prizes up for grabs, and super exciting digital scenarios. With more than 100,000 followers from over 40 countries. From the 11th to 13th of December 2020. At Maker Faire Rome, in collaboration with Officine Robotics, you will be able to fly your digital drones without leaving your home. All you need is a PC and an internet connection. Choose the competition that fits your skill set best. Find out how to sign up and participate at makerfairerome.eu and riders.ai/makerfaire.
So, for anyone who is not familiar with Riders, I would like to talk about Riders a bit. Riders is an online robotics development education competition platform. And our mission is to make robotic education accessible and to democratize it. Because the paradigm in the education is shifting from lecturing to project-based learning. And now the spectrum of STEM covers advanced studies such as AI and machine learning, artificial intelligence and machine learning. So Riders is a cloud-based platform. Its name comes from Robotics, the integrated development environment. And the simulation is with Gazebo. And right now you can use Python language and C++ language and code your robots here. And in Riders, there are courses, projects, and competitions. So since 2020, we hosted 3 competitions. First one was in Turkey. It was in May 2020. And in October 2020, we hosted a mini competition in the US. And right now we are hosting this competition in Maker Faire Rome. So, Carlo, would you like to talk about Officine Robotiche? Who doesn't know? Maybe there are people who are watching us outside of Italy.
Even in Italy, probably they don't know us. Officine Robotics is a social promotion association, a no-profit association. We are spread all over Italy, and we try to, let's say, give back what we have learned from in the actual time from internet. In the past, we were only a simple chat, a simple mailing list at the time with friends. So we learned, and then we try to spread again. Not me in particular, because the less maker and the more teller of the group. So there are very, very nice and expert guys in our teams, and especially we are, let's say, quite clever in explaining all the things. I can say we as general. We are present in the schools. We were in the Maker Faire since the beginning of the Maker Faire. Only the first year, so as spectators, but from 2016 we are always present. We were always present in this way, and the spirits of us, like always, it's having fun. Just meet all the friends of us, an opportunity to see people coming from north, like for example the other of Italy, and from south, meeting in Rome and having fun in our booth. And in particular, I haven't put in this picture what we happened during the evening, because we had also wine cup, a special. We can bring the wine from each of the region of we were from, and so we have a lot of fun. So you can see there are also dinosaurs in our stands. So.
Yeah, I saw them. There's this steam coming out of the dinosaurs. It's amazing.
Yeah, and the one when we like most having always youngest one among us. So the schools are always welcome, and when we were in presence, and hopefully.
Sorry, I just received the feedback that people say that they can't hear your voice. I'm sorry, I couldn't read the messages, but
I can hear you very well, but
oh really? Maybe I don't know. Somebody texted me, but
let me check. Okay, no, because normally using several Windows Open
yeah,
contemporary.
I have 3 microphones, I guess that's
yeah. I don't know how you can do it. Probably. Can you hear me?
I can hear you well, Carlo.
Yeah, I can hear you in Zoom, but probably there is something with the stream, I guess.
StreamYard maybe, but you need to check.
Okay, I don't
There's
know.
a problem in YouTube channel, it's stating, but the technical background people should check it. So we should continue, I suppose.
Okay.
Okay,
and
so
as you can see from the picture, I was saying that we were always involving the youngest one, because we are present in the schools, starting from the elementary one, and we try to let involve at least not only the male side of the babies, but also the female, because we believe that we have to share, because at a certain age, robotics or electronics are mainly male.
yeah, unfortunately.
Yeah, we try at least to spread it, even for not for the other, let's say, big part of very expert. And today we will have an example of this, because robotics is not only for men. We will show you today. And in the year, we passed this opportunity, and we had an example of our experiences. And by chance, we met Oslem by an email. She brought us an email, and we had the opportunity to know this the big reality, the riders. And talking, we say, this year, unfortunately, Maker Faire will be, unfortunately, hopefully, will be only virtual experience, a virtual event. And so we started to think, so how can we merge this reality of Officina Robotic and riders? And we are here.
Yeah, I think that our missions convert each other because we, Officina Robotics and riders, we all want to, democratize robotics education. We all want to make it accessible to everyone, not only to males, but also females. So here we are. Yeah.
Exactly. And I think it was a very exciting competition. As far as I saw from the contestants, that they had a good time. They really spent a lot of time, as far as I understand, and it was a very nice experience. And maybe this is the first time some of the attendees and contestants were attending in a virtual competition. And but even so, they had a great time, I hope. But we will share some numbers with you, and there we will see that there was this excitement, definitely.
Yeah, sure.
So
you can move to the next slide.
Yes, now I am back.
Oh yes, the youngsters are here. Sorry, I couldn't. I didn't move to the next slide. So the youngsters are here, and there is this line following competition you hosted in a physical environment.
Yeah.
Before that, I don't know which year was it, but yeah.
It is every year, I suppose. That's Carlos thing.
Okay.
Mary, if I can share my screen, because
yes,
the videos are shown, unfortunately, only by me.
Yeah.
So, okay, just a second.
Now are we going to just jump to the results of the competition, Bashar?
No, I'm just going to explain further. If that's, can you see my screen, Mara?
Yes, I can see you. And,
yeah, okay, excellent.
Can someone let me know if they can hear Carlo as well?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I think, if some of our colleagues can write it down on the chat, that would be great. So, Carlo, thank you for the explanation about the vision and the mission of Officina Robotic. Basically, because we have shared the same vision and mission, and because we met in 2020 within this year, we have prepared together with Officina Robotic 2 types of competitions. Officina Robotic have decided on the competition types, on the levels of the competitions. And and we have implemented this design into the Riders platform for everybody for the Maker Faire. So in these competitions, robotics is a high. You need to have some level of robotic skill set. But if you are interested in such a thing, if you are interested to jump into the robotics, we have provided some courses, and you can find these courses once you log into Riders platform, where we have put these courses as recommended courses, and you can also preview what's inside of this and what are you going to learn. And our aim is to improve your skill set, and once you have you learn the fundamentals, then you can be able to compete in such robotics and coding competitions. The part 1 is a beginner level where we provide fundamentals of Python and robot programming. In the part 2, we let you meet with the sensors, actuators, and some image processing and some fundamental algorithms in robotics has been used. So please go to this link, either Riders AI / about courses intro to robotics, or just sign up into Riders platform, and you will see in your dashboard under the recommended courses. So there are different types of lessons where we really start programming loops, conditionals, or structured programming. And beside of that, in the next course and lessons, you will be introduced with feedback, image processing, and other algorithms. So I would like to also give you some short information that these competitions are going to will be continuous, and there will be regular. And our upcoming competition will be held in February 2021. And these will be without any age limit, and you can choose basically any competition that fits your level. There will be also some levels in that case. And please attend to those competitions. Follow us from our social media so that you get informed. And once we inform you update you about the competition, so that you can come, join, and attend. And if you are interested in online competitions, this means we have done this with partnership of Faire Robotics and Maker Faire, but we can also organize for you, for your school, for your classroom, a competition. This is also all possible. And the attendees of these competitions will be only from your school or from your classroom. This will be a private competition where you can have some fun and also spend a very excited time with your colleagues, with your friends, so that you can have a good time. So if you want to have such a thing, please contact us over email, or please let us know over the chat. You can ask some questions about it, and we would love to answer those questions. So there are right now this line follower, drone flying, and other types of competitions. But the most important thing is Riders is a customizable platform, so we can provide all types of competitions and in collaboration with you. So that's why if you want to do right now this right away a line follower competition or a drone flying competition, we can provide you the infrastructure. But if you want to a customized type competition, we can also support you in that sense. So would like to maybe not all of the people, the audience haven't seen the competition as yet. So I would like to give you some idea about how a competition and how the things are looking like. So let me show, for example, here, this was the drone competition race where you should pass through all the rings in a sequence. And once you pass through all, those rings, you get a score, and according to your finish time. And you need to be careful because you really can hit the walls. So you need to pay attention to not hit those walls and go through the rings and the gates and etc. So whoever finishes with the fastest time will get a score. And as you can see, this is a Roman forum, the ancient version of Roman forum, and we can also customize the environment accordingly. And today we are going to announce the winner and show some of the winner videos so that you can see. One important thing though, in a drone competition, you can use keyboard, and you don't need to do any coding, but also you can adjust your keyboard with small coding process and then get better scores. So basically it is a mixture of coding and real-time play, which can be very fun also for students and for people. And I'm going to show you some statistics where you will also see that. So the other competition was a line follower competition. As you can see right now, that there's a camera in front of the robot, and with this camera, it can detect the line, and the robot should finish the track as fast as possible. But one important thing, you should be careful to not deviate from the line. If you go far away from the line, you should restart, because you are asked to restart the race again, so we can detect such things. And I will show also some winner videos of today. So please let us know if you have enjoyed this competition. I don't know, is there any attendees? Please write into the chat, or if someone is listening from YouTube or other channels, please also let us know. That would be very nice of you.
Başar, I think we are going to invite a competitor from IT League, I guess. Walter?
Yes, exactly.
So maybe he can share his thoughts about this competition, because he was competing.
Yes, exactly. Merve, how many contestants did compete in all three competitions? Do you have something in mind?
It is
Quanti concorrenti hanno partecipato?
Wow.
I don't know if I can speak well, Carlo.
Yeah, you don't know the translation, because I'm seeing also Oslem is answering in Italian, so I'm not necessary anymore. I'm quitting. Okay.
We are using Google Translate there, Carlo.
Okay, so should I answer the exact question, or we should take the guests?
I think you can have a, I don't know, by the way, I will give a guess, something like, I suppose between 70 and 100, is that the case?
It was a moderate one, actually, and also pessimistic, Başar, come on. Actually, it's more than 150.
Really? Oh,
yeah, it's like
I will
67.
Okay, let's check. Oh,
okay.
100.
I've taken some shots, not snapshot while I was in the picture. I'm seeing 46 participants, 242 submissions for beginner line follower. I'm seeing 86 participants, but I don't know if it is the final one or it was in a certain time. Probably it is increased. 46 participants for beginner one.
Yeah, For the beginner, 46. For the advanced, approximately again 40. But for the drone competition, it was something like
86.
over 80, right? As far as I remember.
Yeah, 86. I can see on reading.
Yeah, that was a very that's a good number. So
are we gonna take Walter to our stream, or we are just waiting because maybe we can ask his opinions about this competition?
Is Walter on the line right now, or?
Yeah,
I think on the drone competition we can take Walter because we have prepared a video of his flight.
We can talk with him again maybe, but maybe Walter can share his thoughts about this, not his score, but his experience during this competition.
But now or in now?
Yeah,
Walter, are you there?
No, if you want a... Sorry.
Hi, Walter. Very nice to meet you in the first place. I have tracked the leaderboard all the time, almost all the time, and you were something like on the 90% of the competition duration. You were the winner. You were the first.
Yes.
A special prize for this kind of competition.
Yes, definitely.
Being for the most of the time the first.
Yeah, and which of the competitions you have liked most? I would like to ask first, Walter.
Sure, line follower advanced because
line follower advanced, yeah. It was a difficult one, right? I mean,
yes, it was difficult a lot because with 19 degree, it's very difficult, and we tried some problem with the camera.
Yeah.
Because,
also,
because something the read of the camera was not in real time.
Exactly. So you need to be aware that the camera is not in that real time always.
Yes,
you need to always check for delays and latencies, etc.
Yes,
right?
but it's the same for all. For everything.
Yeah, it's the same for all. Exactly. So that was a little intentional as well. So this randomness of this latency, so that it is also approaching to real life, right? In real life, also you experience such a thing. So that's why it was very interesting. Yes. So can you suggest? Can you guess how many hours you have worked on the Riders platform approximately? Do you have a number?
A lot of hours. I don't know the exact number of hours, but a lot.
All night long, almost.
also in the night.
But as far as I know, Massimiliano is also your friend, right?
Yes.
So how do you feel? You worked a lot of, and you were 90% of the time the winner, and then Massimiliano came at this last day, and I was for you against.
No, for me it's not a problem because we are a team, and always in real competition, the important for us is to have good results, not for single person, but for the whole team.
Yes.
So I'm very happy to see that Massimiliano and Michele are the best in the two different competition.
Exactly. So I think this was very excited also from our end that you have spent a good time and you get really great results as well. So I will share a little more detail. We were able to capture your best score algorithm on the drone competition, and
yes,
I will
yes.
show you the video.
Okay.
Walter, this was only for you because you were really, you deserve that. I have this, we had this motivation basically.
Yes,
So,
yes, yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. So, in this competitions, there were 239 hours of coding. I mean, for drone competition, maybe not coding, but how much the contestants spent time in front of the editor, in front of this competition. That's the hour. And 339 hours is how much? Is like something like if one day is 24 hours, it's something like 10 days,
10
right?
days,
So
yeah.
10 days of coding. That's an amazing number. That was very nice. So the most hardworking contestant, who is this?
This is a mystery. Actually, at the end, these numbers increased even more. So
Yes.
we have 3 different competitions. So we have 3 different people who worked the most in their category. So if you want, I'm gonna read their names because I didn't write them because we took these statistics at the very last minute.
Yes, so we had very small time, short time to prepare, right, Merve? So why don't you say,
Okay.
These are not the winners, right? These are the people with most spent time. Yeah, please go ahead.
As far as I know, these are not the winners. We are going to see all together in a few minutes. But for example, for beginner line follower race, we have a name, but probably this is his or her username, Ozzy. He worked for 8 hours and did 8 submissions. And we also have a full name, Marco Di Pasquale. Right? 8 hours and 23 submissions for a beginner line follower category.
Perfect. Congratulations. Yeah, that was great time to spend. Yeah.
And for advanced line follower race, this is I think the hardest competition. So Walter, he worked for 25 hours and he did 85 submissions.
Wow, congratulations, Walter. I mean, you are the champions of our heart, definitely. So I want to say that in the first place.
Thank you very much.
Is there a curfew in Italy right now?
Pardon? Sorry.
What?
Curfew, like they abandon you from going out of your home because of the pandemic. Because as far as I see, Walter spent his 1/3 of his 3 days in front of his computer. So
yes, excellent. Thank you so much, Walter. That was great. And the drone.
We have Giovanni Bruno with 14 hours and 239 submissions. This is
my God!
Yes.
Walter, do you know each other, Giovanni? Walter, are you familiar with Giovanni?
Yeah, yes, because I know some people from Officine Robotiche.
Okay, he's from Officine Robotiche. Okay,
yes.
Yeah, exactly, Giovanni.
Walter is from the north and Giovanni is from Naples, so really south of Italy. But in any case, they spend a lot of. Giovanni should be present in our booths instead of playing with drones. So
Giovanni raised hand. Hi, Giovanni. Congratulations, by the way.
Giovanni wrote something to the chat. He said, "It is quite impossible to achieve 25.7 on keyboard."
Yeah. I mean, I was also trying, but out of the contest. So I am the demo writer, by the way. You can find me on the very bottom of the list. But I was trying outside of the competition. But really, I mean, 25.7 is almost impossible, I can also say. But still, I mean, younger ones can do it anyhow. They are that good. So even coding sometimes cannot beat them. So because their reflexes are so fast. I am 37 years old, so it's passed from me. Carlo, what do you think? Can you
You
do
are
something?
too young for me because I'm not saying anything else. But in any case, I don't know what it is live right now, because I'm seeing the presentation. We should see the people involved in this competition.
Yes, we will see. We will see this leaderboard and so the others. And so let's go further, Merve, right? How many competitors have completed the final competition track? Let's give some statistics. There was 167. I assume these numbers have changed a little just in the last hour, but there was a lot of interest. Basically, 1,100 unique website visitors also, and the contestants were from 12 countries and 4 continents. So from Asia to Europe to US. To South America. For example, the 3rd place in the advanced line follower is Wesley Silva, is actually the winner of our October line follower competition. So he got the 3rd place. So the Italian came to the game, and now everything is now more exciting. In the next competitions, we will see more international ones, and hopefully this will be more exciting. So would like to share beginner line follower competition results first. So basically, who was the winner of the beginner line follower competition? We have prepared a video of the winner. So the winner is Michele Mantione.
Michele Mantione.
I am very sorry. Michele Mantione.
He's here.
He's here. Oh, excellent. Congratulations, Michele. Michele has won the competition prize, which is a Raspberry Pi 4B, and he's the winner. And we got his correct me if I'm wrong, but Michele is a masculine name, as I suppose. Michele won we got Michele's code and run in the simulation once again, and this is the score once we did run his code again, as you can see, from a different camera angle though. But what I see from Michele's code is there is a very good balance between the tracking the line, so he's not deviating from the line that much. That's very nice. And also, I think another important thing is his speed is in a very good shape. So he's running in a nice speed, and especially when you turn like 180 degrees or right, left, right, left. For example, right now, this is very difficult place, as you can see. And then once again to the right, he did it very, very well. So congratulations. We got a score approximately something like the same. Let me show again his score here. I will stop. So once we run, there is a very small deviations when you run the simulation again, and you can see that he got here 91,778, but in the contest he got 92. But still, this is the best score of between all the winners. Michelle, are you here? Can you hear us? Oh, very nice. Perfect. Michelle, first of all, congratulations for your win. So you are the champion of this contest. And how can you introduce yourself a little?
Well, I'm Michele, and well, I don't know. I program since no, well, I've programmed for about 2 years now.
Perfect. Yeah.
But
how old are you, Michele? How old are you?
I'm 17. Almost
17 years old. Yes.
But actually, that's the second time I program in Python. And so it was a new experience for me, and it has been fun.
So, how long did you work to develop an algorithm? Was it a difficult track, or can you share some experience about your experience? Yeah.
Yeah, so I started from the advanced competition because I didn't know that there was also the beginner for for the younger participants, and and I found it very difficult. I was I think sixth in the score, but well, in the beginner competition, I found very difficult the speed control, so that in the curve I had to slow down the robot because otherwise it went down. It went away from the
exactly. So the thing is not only rotation, but also you need to slow down to take the curves, right? And this is the most difficult part of such a thing, of such a competition. Is it? So how many hours did you work?
Hopefully.
Yeah. Carlo, please say.
No, I say that I want to see Michele again in a physical robot competition too. So we can, let's say, compare his ability in a virtual and in physical one. Hopefully the next time.
When it will be possible.
Yes, whenever it will be possible. Hopefully we can maybe organize two-step. One first it starts with virtual, and then the next one. So in all, you have done a great work, and you won this competition. Congratulations, Michelle, and thank you for your attendance, definitely. And you won the prize. So our colleagues will be in touch with you and send the prize, the winner prize, to you in the next days. So stay tuned and stay with us. If you want to add something, please, you are very welcome. And thank you very much.
I don't know. It's been very, very funny and useful, and I enjoyed it a lot.
Okay, excellent. So in the next competitions, we will get in touch with you and call you for the competition, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Complimenti, Michele.
Excellent. So congratulations again, Michele. Thank you so much.
Complimenti, Michele.
Grazie.
The coach. This is the coach of Michele.
Excellent. Okay, so we continue, right? And now, congratulations, Michele Mantone. He's the winner of the beginner level line follower competition, and he's the champion. So if we have a look to the leaderboard, Michelle has got with 92.7 score, and he tried 33 times. He finished the line. And the second one, Ahmet Bura Aydın, is from from the name, I suppose, from Turkey. And he has a very close score with 89. And you can see there are at least nine contestants who are on the leaderboard. So in total, there were 49 participants and 242 submissions. So thank you very much for your attendance. I hope you had a great time. And in the next competitions, I would like to see you again. Thank you so much. So let's jump into advanced line follower competition. In this one, you will see the track is a little, actually very, very difficult. So I will share some statistics about that as well. And we will see the video of the winner as well. So so basically in this one, this was much more difficult. So let's see the winner. So the winner of the line follower race advance is Massimiliano Mantione. Congratulations again. If you can hear us, we will just first see your code, how it has reacted. So basically, as you can see, there are dashed lines, there are 90-degree angles, and these 90-degree angles are coming regularly, like 1, 2, 3, 90, even 4. So there are very difficult parts, as you can see, and balancing the robot, tracking the line, and also being fast as possible is very tricky. And in these 90 degrees, Massimiliano did something very, very smart, where he once, if he cannot find the line, he really slows down too much, so that he rotates at some positions with almost zero velocity, but still it's some area is not accumulating. That's why he's getting great score. So I think it is very important to keep the balance between the sum area and the speed. As you can see, he's getting a score when we tried his algorithm again. 61.9. So there's again a very small difference, but his code generates the best score, as you can see also from the leaderboard. So Massimiliano, is he with us? I don't know.
Yes,
but
I'm here.
Ah, excellent. Sorry.
Okay.
Second, I couldn't see you.
I was keeping the camera off and the microphone too, just not to add the bandwidth.
But... so first of all, congratulations, Massimiliano. How was your experience? Was it difficult? Can you share?
So it was definitely difficult. It was really hard, as you just explained it. This was a hard track. Also, it was designed in a strange way because the robot is, so mechanically it looks like a toy robot. The center of weight is quite high, the wheels are very large, and the sensor is quite good, but it points very far in the front of the robot. Right. And the problem is that the engines are very powerful. So if you go too fast, you just skid, and to cap all, the frequency of the sensor is only 100 milliseconds. I mean, it's very, very slow.
Yes.
So when you go too fast on a 90 degree, there is no chance for you to see that. It's simply impossible. If you slow down a lot before, but then you lose a lot. Or, and this is what I did, essentially I sort of memorized in the robot the sequence of the turns. So when the robot went out, it already knew where to go, either left or right.
Yes.
That was the trick. So what happened was that the robot was going far in advance, so it was almost going out, but the slowing down and going in the right direction, I could actually keep in track. This was essentially the main trick. On top of that, there was the usual balance between speed and control, because I had runs when I was going faster, but by going faster, I was accumulating more area between the line, and so I was actually getting worse scores. So that was hard to get. I had to do several tries where all the tries were successful, but simply the balance wasn't the right one.
Yes.
And that was essentially it.
Fortunately, he hadn't the possibility to modify the physics of the robot. So otherwise, he could create a sort of a monster.
In the next competitions, we will open also the physics of the robot to change. We allow the users to change. Then we will see some very, very interesting results between the contestants. Maybe that time Walter can beat you, Massimiliano.
Yeah.
Hi, Massimiliano. Great job. Great team.
Thanks a lot. And congratulations for the second place, by the way. And by the way, also congratulations to Michele. I didn't have the microphone on, but of course.
Michele was the son of Massimiliano, obviously.
Yeah, he's my son. Yeah, we had a fun experience because we simply decided we will not share code ever, period. But of course, we were sort of talking a bit. I mean, it's like we are father and son, we are living together. So
yeah, it's fine.
So you weren't in the part of the Michele code, so
we were coding in different rooms, even on different computers and in different rooms.
It's a fair competition, so you didn't.
Okay, so how was it exciting for you to take in this competition? So there are some audience listening to us. Can you share your experience about it? Would you enter again to a competition in the next competitions, if there's any?
It's been really fun, and I think I will do it again. It will be also fun to be able to either modify the physics of the robot or at least have more insight into the physics, because sometimes I was sort of blind. I didn't know something. Is it going to skid? Is it going to what? And I didn't know. But it's been really, really fun. I mean, it's a wonderful challenge. So I do it again, surely. And congratulations for the environment.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So once again, congratulations. So you won the race, the championship, and you will be awarded with the winner prize. And our colleagues will be in touch with you to send you your winner prize. Once again, congratulations again, Massimiliano. Thank you for your attendance.
Thank you.
Hopefully see you in the next competitions. Thank you so much.
Grande Massimiliano.
Grande. Bye.
Bravo.
So once again, congratulations, Massimiliano Mantione. So let's have a look to the leaderboard. Massimiliano is the winner. And Walter is the second, has the second position, and Wesley Silva, who was the winner of our 18th of October, the October line follower race, which was a little different than this one, which was not in advanced level in the first place, and he got the third place. Congratulations to Wesley again. And there are a couple of contestants who got the other positions. And Giovanni, I see here as well. Thank you so much for your attendance. So there were here 49 teams and 194 submissions from these 49 participants. And as you can see, the most submission has been done by Walter. So Walter, you are the champion of our hearts. So thank you so much. Now let's jump into drone flying competition. In this competition, I would like to explain again, the coding is not required. So you can, we have provided you a keyboard layout where you can use the keyboard and fly the drone left, right, up, down, and you can speed up or slow down with your keyboard. And with this, but still, we have also allowed users to code to participate in the competition. And we have expected, though, maybe with coding, it is possible to win the competition. But again, young people reflexes are the reflexes of young people are so strong. The winner is not from a coder, because we have checked his all submissions. We are storing all the data, by the way, I want to say. And the winner has done it through by playing keyboard. So so the winner is here. We cannot record. We couldn't record his video because it has been submitted by keyboard play at that real-time play. What we can do is only we can take the code and resimulate it again, and so that we see the result of its code. But Batuhan Ergün is from Turkey. Congratulations. I don't know if he is here with us.
Yeah, I'm here.
Here, I guess, yes.
Ah, Batuhan, you're here. I didn't know, sorry.
Yeah. 1 second. Yeah.
Ah, Batuhan, now I can see you as well. Oh, wow. By the way, Batuhan, congratulations. This was, I mean, in a very short notice, you have beaten all of the contestants in a very when you which day you have started to play? Can you share with us?
Actually, I started even before the competition began. Like, I remember messaging the support about like the project is just blank and there is nothing on it.
Right.
And,
so you tried this. You tried it in the preparation track, right?
Yeah. Then
perfect.
After the competition actually began, like the make Faire began, I tried it 2 times, like, and one of them is just an hour before the deadline, and one is actually in the night. I think like, I didn't spend that much time, but before like just an hour before deadline, I tried so hard, and in the first place, I didn't believe like 77 is a score that someone could do with keyboard. Like, I don't know, it seemed so impossible, but when I get used to it, I did somehow. And actually, I will also like to congratulate Mr. Walter, because like I said, in the first place, I didn't believe it's a score that someone did with keyboard. It seemed so impossible, but yeah.
You kind of did it, right, at the end?
Yeah.
Batuhan, can you share some info about you? How old are you? Where do you study, or can you give some short info?
Yeah, sure. I'm 17. Actually, I started coding on 7th grade, but in that competition, I also tried autonomous drive, but it was so hard to do it in the drone category, because like the path between the 5th and the 6th gate was so hard. Like, there's no field of view of the 6th gate, so it's kind of impossible to like process the image. So I just did it with keyboard. And also I spent a little bit time on the beginner line follower competition. Actually, I think I was in the 6th place.
Yes.
I'm not sure. So yeah, I wish I won something with coding, but this is also a thing. Yeah.
But you're from Turkey, sorry, Batuhan. Are you from Turkey?
Yeah.
Yes, Batuhan is from Turkey.
Oh, okay. And are you living in Istanbul or what?
No, I live in Samsun.
In Samsun, in the very north of Turkey.
Yeah, very north.
Yeah. So you are far from the headquarter of riders.
Yeah, yeah.
No, we are his Carl. So there is no relation with Batuhan and riders.
No. I just was asking if he knows you before this occasion, or just because know the riders company in the.
No, I think Batuhan, you are one of the attendees of the May competition. Is this right?
Yeah, actually, I attended all of the riders competition. Like
you attended all of the riders competitions. So basically,
yeah.
So he's one of the Riders League contestants. So
I didn't want to say that he's part of you. So just to understand how far he is from you, because I don't know
so
exactly.
Something like 600 kilometers, I suppose, or even more.
I guess so.
Yeah.
Nearly the same from me and Walter.
Probably.
Yeah, but congratulations again for your win. So we would so we couldn't get the record because you did it with the keyboard, but still congratulations. But we have the video of the second place Walter, which did it autonomous. But actually, couldn't beat you. So basically, I want to say something here. This is very important. Robots still have a lot of to do because human can still beat them. So, so even autonomous, there is still humans are very powerful here. Okay, so that's the lesson that we need to take here.
Yes, because I'm not younger. For me, it is impossible to use the keyboard. So the only possibility was to prepare a simple algorithm to participate in the competition.
Yeah.
But in any way, congratulations to Batuhan.
Yeah. So let's sorry, continue. Sorry, my mistake. Sorry.
And congratulations for the first place of the younger.
Really, congratulations. So let's have a look how Walter did with his coding. So this drone is flying only through code. This is the Walter's development. He got the second place. So let's see Walter's drone flying race. So Walter, that was very smart. So the movements are very, very not sharp. They are very smooth so that you don't lose any time. For example, like this, no human can run like this, right? So, you see the effect of coding a little, but still it is coding was very nice. So only through coding, as you can see, he got in 25.7 seconds and 77.82 has a score as Walter did. So congratulations, Walter. That was really you are the best in the coders arena.
Thank you very much. Was a pleasure participating in this competition.
So that was also a little exciting, right? I mean, because drone flying is in general very exciting, and when I tried to play it, I really couldn't take myself out of it because it is something you really feel like, hey, you are in the race now, and that was very exciting from my end. Hope for you the same.
Fortunately, you did include also some part like a gamepad, because otherwise, but one was unreachable. He did it with the keyboard. You can imagine what he can do with the
gamepad, right? With like play PS4 gamepad. I mean, this could bring an equality inequality. So that's why we left keyboard gamepad outside of it. So that we have also a little chance, but like older ones. So that's why. Once again, Batuhan, congratulations, you are the winner. Our team will get in touch with you and you will get the winner prize of this competition. Congratulations, Walter. Thank you so much, and congratulations to you. You are the winner of the coders in this drone competition. There were some really try to finish with the code. So you are in that the winner, and in the next competitions, hopefully you will be the winner of all.
Yes, this is really amazing for me, because I am not a software programmer. I am an electrician, and normally I prepare the hardware of the robot.
Yeah.
So it was a really surprise also for me, the results.
Even as a virtual, that was very fun and nice, right? Yeah, that's great to hear. That's fantastic. So hey, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts. Thank you, and congratulations again. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Congratulations, both.
Thank you, Batuhan. Congratulations. So once again, congratulations to Batuhan for being the winner. And let's have a look at the leaderboard. So Batuhan has the first place, and Walter has the second place. And Giovanni, you tried so much, but couldn't beat Walter in this case. But maybe next time. But that was also great from you. And Alessio also, thank you for your attendance as well. That was great. So in this competition, there were 88 participants, and from that 838 submissions has been made. So this was particularly the most interesting competition from all of three, I suppose. Please share your comments, but for some of them, maybe the line follower, advanced or beginner was also very interesting, definitely. But here we had 88 participants, and that was also very exciting. So before we end, Merve, is there anything that I missed while I'm saying, or is there any questions that we need to answer? So let's have a look at them. So I'm looking the chat.
There were many questions, but
so congrats, Michelle Massimiliano. Giovanni said it's quite impossible to achieve 25.7 on the keyboard. Well, Giovanni, someone did, and he's the winner now. And there is there is also a ping problem, definitely. So you need to try a lot so that you can get, but exactly. Okay, so I think if you have any questions, please share with us. But if share with us now, but I would like to summarize. So there were 3 competitions in the beginner, in the advanced, of the line follower, and the drone competition, and 2 17 years old contestants won. The line follower, and the other one the drone flying competition. So the youngers are still the masters here, and the Blind Follower Advanced has been, the winner is Massimiliano, and he won with an advanced coding skill and got the best score. So we are going to open other competitions. One will be in February. Please connect us, please contact us, please follow us from our social media. And also, if you want to attend, and if you don't have some experience, and if you want to learn about how to code robots, how to participate in such competitions, how to bring your skill level in a position where you can also compete, please join the Riders team, subscribe, sign up to Riders platform, attend to our courses, and then you will be able to compete in those competitions with coding. I think this can bring a lot of power to your coding and algorithm development. So please go to our website and join our platform and have a look at our courses in that sense.
And Bashar, I had this question from our visitors at the booth, and as well I seen in the chat.
Yes.
People are asking if they are gonna, for example, the contestants in this competition, they are still gonna be, will they still gonna be able to reach these projects, or how can they continue working in this Riders platform?
So, okay, let me explain. Thank you so much for this question. So basically, Riders is a cloud-based platform, as you have explained in the presentation, Marve. So all is running on the cloud, and all the projects that you have are stored also in the cloud, and we are storing and keeping your projects, your things for you. So this is one thing. And you will have every month some certain of for the competition. It was free because this is we want to reach you, and this was our motivation. But in competitions, we are opening also competitions for free. But in normal projects, if you want to have a look, you have every month 8 hours to open the editor and try and things. But if you subscribe to our platform, then you will have unlimited access, unlimited time access. But you need to know your projects are always saved and stored there. You can go and edit and improve and check anytime, but we can provide you every month 8 hours for now. But if you want to subscribe, if you subscribe, you will have a full access, full-time access without limits, and also you will have all the courses also available for you. So there are opportunities, there are possibilities. I hope I could explain well. So your projects are always there, will be always there. We are keeping and saving for you. This is important to know. And you will have every month a definite time to edit, to check it. But if you want to add more time, you can either buy some time, or you can subscribe and open it to unlimitless.
Yeah, and Carlo, your booth is still open in Maker Faire, so you have projects there. Would you like to tell a bit about them?
Yeah, you can go to our booth, find it in the Maker Faire website. But first of it, I would a special thanks to Chiara Marzaro, because it was one of the participants. She is from the ETLUG member. It's a member of the team, and she's a member of the team, and she's, as far as I know, the youngest one participant, and mainly she's a girl. So she's 14. She's very clever, and I know that in the past she won probably some other races in Tallinn. I don't know. I don't remember exactly. Walter is a part of the team. Special thanks to her, because she's always there, and she's very, let's say, she's very nice.
Yeah, congratulations and thank you. Can you repeat the name? Chiara, is that right?
Chiara Marzaro. She's
Chiara Marzaro. Thank you so much for your attendance also to the competition.
Yeah, thanks to her and her father too, that he is the inspiration for her.
Is Chiara able to join us or not?
She's on with us.
Is she here? I don't know.
Yes.
Ah, she's here.
I'm here.
Great, Chiara.
Carlo, do you want to? Hi, Chiara. Very nice to meet you. Hope you enjoyed the Maker Faire and the competition. And would you like to share some of your thoughts?
Yes, I like it. Yeah.
That's great. Carlo, if you want, you can also speak Italian as well. This is also possible. Please, go ahead.
Grande Chiara, è stato come al solito un piacere vedere che sei sempre così coinvolta in questo tipo di manifestazioni. Sarà qualcuno che è nascosto lì dietro la colpa di tutto ciò. Immagino che Renato sarà un po' l'artefice di questo, e uno spera che questa cosa accada molto più spesso, cioè vedere che un padre riesca a coinvolgere anche così la figlia.
Grazie.
Grazie a te. I was saying that the father is her inspiration, so I hope to see it more often in Italy and all over the world. Just see that a girl is following the father's steps.
Yeah, perfect. Hope to see you in the competitions and then win the competitions in the next years.
And you have other 40 minutes to go to our booth to see our 8 projects and more. We are present here in the Maker Faire as usual.
Carlo, if you want, you can share also the link in the chat so that...
How to go there? It's not, I don't want to close some particular, because it's always not easy for me to find it. I go normally with the search engine of the digital Maker Faire ROM.
Okay. Yeah.
I go like there. Let me check it instantly, and in the meantime, you will find there our let's say members of Officine Robotiche, and we spread from artificial intelligence with SLAM, simultaneous location mapping, and there are really experts also in the ROS, the ROS that you use, and the gazebo. So we have a lot of experts in there too, and we have very nice and funny, let's say, projects in it, because let me go there. It gives me the link. I don't know if it is only for me. I share it in the chat. Let me see.
I couldn't see it.
I couldn't see it.
Officine
Italy, and now we can see. Yes, excellent. Now it can.
I don't know. Officinerobotics.it is our website. You can find our YouTube channel, our Facebook, Instagram, and so on to follow us. And please visit also our booth. I don't know if can you try please the link cat 2 in our presentation. Normal.
It's a little normal. Sorry.
No, it's really nice. Matt, could you try to access to the booth if it is possible? Because
I will try now. Just a second.
Just to see if it is only my access, because I have a different And
I am opening the link that you have sent. This is live boot Office in Robotic, right?
Yeah, okay. On the contrary, you can go there just looking for the presence of Office in Robotic.
Yeah. Okay. This
Diretta
is
stand.
this is the live boot, and I'm opening the other link again in the chat. So Office in Robotic, Italy.
Yeah, and you can find a very fun environment.
I think is this correct? Office in Robotic.
Yeah.
Robotics Italy, maybe.
Maybe we need www.
Maybe we should.
Let me
now. Okay. This was my mistake, I suppose. Now you can see the Maker Faire Office in Robotic website, and you can see a couple of projects here. So.
With the second, let me know if you can access directly to our booth, because
yes, if I click now to join stream, I don't think this will. You can still join. Right now, I joined to your and there are your colleagues.
Yeah, the noise.
As you can see, there are projects has been explained here. Okay, excellent.
We have several projects, mainly for starting from babies, from educational purposes. So robots, line followers, smaller line follower, but robotics one, and not virtual. Just
exactly. It has been closed. Sorry, just a second. I will open. Yes, now.
Okay, you are seeing our OR Domo. It's a domotic home automation systems that we made just with the idea of spreading in the school, starting from very young. You can build your own house. You can make printing the panels with the 2D printers with laser cut, for example. And there is an example from Alessio that is showing his robot and just understanding the environment around it, just acquiring signals from LiDAR, from stereo camera, and all the rest. So if you are interested, we can have a future presentation just for you. This is the panel with OpenHub, but this is the robot Arlo made for youngest with Arduino board. And Raffaello Bonghi robot is being soon quite. This one, for example, using artificial intelligence and the ROS within it.
This is the line follower.
The physical one, yeah.
The physical one. Yeah, yeah, excellent. So,
but in the look, the Walter team, you can see, I don't know, very monster in that case, because they're able to speak so nice. Fast, mechanically, not virtually. So probably once Massimiliano said that he had trouble with the system so slow, but. In particular, I've seen the smallest one.
From other projects as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think
there is also.
My internet is getting bad.
And this
so
is
I'm closing. I'm sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you hear me? Yeah.
Please visit us there. We are still open for another half an hour more.
Yeah.
And thank you for having this big opportunity. And it has been very, 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 very fun for us just being part of this
yes,
big achievement.
The same. the same for us. Thank you participating and creating this opportunity. Special thanks to you, Carlo. Without meeting you, this all couldn't be possible. So you actually made it happen by communicating with Maker Faire and then with us and together. That was, we would like to specially thank to you in the first place.
Thanks to you.
Thank you so much. So once again, thank you everybody. I would like to close. I think we are at the end of our time, right? So if you have any questions, please connect with us, contact us, and I hope to see you in the in our next competitions, and stay connected with us, and hope to see you next time. Thank you so much. Thank you, Merve. Thank you, Carlo. Thank you, Walter.
Thank you very much.
Thanks you
Thank
to
you,
you.
everybody,
Bye-bye.
for attendance.
Goodbye.
We hope to see you soon.
Thank you. See you soon.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
Bye.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you, Slen.
Goodbye. Bye, Carlo. Thank you so much. Goodbye, everybody. Bye.